Dear parents, whenever we think about competition, what is the next immediate thought comes in your mind? If there is competition, there must be a competitor. Then who is competitor? And most of the time we think that someone other than me is my competitor, right? And what happens when we think there is someone else with whom I have to compete? It may create a stress. Now, especially when we think about kids, children, from age group of 5, 6, 7 till 14, 15. And when we teach them, now you have to go to competition and you have to compete with other students, with other kids. So indirectly that child is looking outside to the competitor. Sometimes that stress is taken in a positive way from few students. Sometimes that stress or this concept of competition demotivate or demoralize students when they don't win the competition, because they are competing with someone else, and there they feel that that person, that someone else, that student, that child is good than me. What if we can give that different mindset about competition, where we can demonstrate that first competitor is within you and it is you only. Dear parents and teachers, I strongly believe that if we can inculcate this mindset in students in our today's generation, that every child must compete with themselves first. Every child need to perform best in comparison with his or her previous performance. So parents and teachers, if you are really willing to put that mindset in students, in our future generation, then I am inviting you to this unique competition, that is Abacus Marathon, which is happening on 30th of April 2023. In this unique competition, children are not going to compete with anyone else. They are just going to compete with themselves. How? There will be 2 phases in this competition. The result of second phase need to be good or better than the result in their first phase. The result in phase 2 is better than result in phase 1, then that child will be a winner. And I believe all children can be winner. And even if they lose, they are not losing with anyone else, they are losing with themselves. So here we can inculcate that new definition of competition, where they will be in the race with their own pace. If you want our kids to experience this mindset, this thought process, then I would really invite you to join us in this competition. With this video, there will be a link to register your student or child's name in the competition, and once it is done, my team will connect with you for further details. I'll repeat it again. This competition is happening on 30th of April 2023 in Mumbai. So let's be together to build that new mindset, to redefine this concept of competition. Thank you so much. This is Shubhada Bhave, teacher, trainer, entrepreneur and parent.